Hello, my name is Keith. It's come from Mobile Kitchen, Junior Soul Chef. Today we make this very simple dish. It's drunken cream. The recipe is from my mom. Yes. First time, we boil the water, put some lemon and garlic and some chili. It's very important. It's some flavor for the sea salt. Now, in case the water is boiled, we can put some the shrimp. The shrimp is from the William. We can this size. We can boil about 3 minutes. This moment we can make the sauce. We have some yellow wine, some fish sauce, little bit sugar, and the garlic. Some chili, and also we have some lemon. We want the shrimp to earn a fast time to cool down with some ice. Until now, it's not very simple and easy. You can take out the shrimp. Put it in the mixer. It's to melt 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can take out the prawn and then use the kitchen paper to clean up. Less clean is okay because the flavor is the sauce. Very simple. We have some decoration. It's coriander leaf. 希望你哋鍾意啦，呢個咁簡單嘅菜。